guys, welcome back. This is Sakshika Arya. I hope everyone's doing well and they're safe. कोरोना की वजह से इतना annoying हो रहा है सब कुछ, but there's not much we can do, other than just try to be safe and take care of others. Yeah. Actually, I didn't do any video in between because I got caught up with other kind of work. So yeah, I'm here again with another video. This one is going to be about a mini haul and a review kind of video on these products from Bath and Body Works and the Body Shop. Now I've been using Body Shop for over like a year, but Bath and Body Works मैंने आज से पहले कभी यूज़ नहीं किया था. So I wanted to give it a try because I have heard a lot of bloggers and people talking about this brand, and I think it's new, something that's come in India. So I wanted to give it a try, and yeah, I have a few shower gels with me and some fragrances. So if you are actually interested in watching that, please keep watching, and before we get started, please do subscribe to my channel. Let's get started now. So the first product is from the Body Shop, which is a shower gel. So it's this one. So it's called the Body Shop Satsuma, I think that's how you pronounce it, shower gel, which is of 250 ml quantity, and it's for 345 rupees, sorry. And this one is based on orange fragrance, I think. इसका जो fragrance है, yeah. So I hope you guys remember those 90s वाली orange candies जो कि orange slices के shape में होती थी, and it used to be very orangey, tangy, sweet kind of flavor, right? So इसका जो fragrance है उससे काफ़ी मिलता जुलता है. So whenever I actually try to sniff this, so yeah, whenever I actually try to take the fragrance, ये मुझे उसका बहुत remind कराता है. So that means it's very fruity, and if you're someone who's actually into those kind of fragrances, very intense fruity fragrances, who just wants to maybe smell like fruits, so yeah, this one's for you. मैं personally कभी कभी ये वाली यूज़ करती हूँ क्योंकि you have those kind of days when you want something very fruity and refreshing, so yeah, this one's for those days. Now the second shower gel is called Fuji Green Tea, and the quantity and price are the same as that bottle. Okay, so this one, as it's based on green tea, the fragrance, let me tell you, उसका जो fragrance है, it actually is very similar to what green tea smells like. Yeah, pretty much. So yeah, this one is not that intense as the other one, which is based on oranges. This one is not as strong and intense in fragrance as the other one. ये वाला काफ़ी mild है, and if you're someone who wants to just feel refreshed but still have some kind of fragrance, then this one's for you. And ये वाला, if you're that kind of person, then ये आपको headache भी नहीं देगा, so it's a good catch for that one from the Body Shop. Now another one is this fragrance body mist called the Body Shop Shea, and it's 100 ml. I think मैंने ये actually Amazon से लिया था. इसका price range was somewhere around 800 or so. I don't really remember. Actually ये मैंने last year लिया था. As you can see, I've used it a lot. यहाँ तक पहुँच चुका है. And let me tell you, this is very nice and sweet and soft kind of fragrance. बिल्कुल दिमाग में headache देने वाली नहीं है. Yeah, it's very nice. It's very basic. Day to day के लिए भी अच्छा रहता है, और कॉलेज गोइंग गर्ल्स के लिए अच्छा है. इफ़ यू आर वर्किंग देन उसके लिए अच्छा है. आई रिमेंबर व्हेन आई वाज वर्किंग लास्ट ईयर, आई यूज्ड टू ऑलमोस्ट वेयर इट एवरी डे, and it gave me a very pleasant kind of fragrance, so it was nice. So yeah, this one is a good buy. And if you're someone who wants some kind of mild fragrance but not too sweet or too much intense kind of fragrance, so yeah, this one's for you. Now moving on to Bath and Body Works products, and उसमें से I bought these two. These are miniatures. Yeah, I didn't know कि इतना छोटा होगा obviously, but yeah, so I just wanted to give it a try initially because मैंने इससे पहले कभी try नहीं किया था. So yeah, this is a fragrance mist and this is a body lotion, and these two products are each somewhere around 500 on their website. this range is doing quite well and quite popular. This one's called 1,000 Wishes, and yeah. So starting with the lotion, this one's 88 ml of quantity, and somewhere around 599. That's written on the प्रोडक्ट बट जब मैंने साइट पे देखा तो इट वाज समवेयर cheaper than 599. So yeah, this one fragrance is amazing. You can use it like when you're getting out of the shower, you just want something light and refreshing. The best part is कि ये doesn't get too thick or heavy or greasy on your skin. The fragrance is very very mild again. It's sweet but it's not something that's too strong. Similar is this body mist, fragrance mist. This one is amazing. Let me just try it once again. Yeah, this one's amazing. इसके जो initial notes हैं, they are a little strong when you actually try. When you give it 5-10 minutes, it just starts settling down and आपको एक warm और vanilla kind of fragrance देता है. And it's very nice. It's a very summer appropriate, and since this bottle is like travel packaged, so yeah, you can just carry it around anywhere like that. And इसका quantity भी same है 88 ml for 699, but मैंने 699 में नहीं लिया था. It was around something around 500 something. I don't really remember exactly, but I'll mention all the prices in the description box. So yeah, and this one is amazing basically. So if you are someone who wants to just give it a try to Bath and Body Works just like me, these two are the things you want to buy. I don't know about the rest of the ranges, but ye wala is definitely a good buy. So yeah, I'm actually happy with this purchase and I'll be happy to purchase in future from them since my birthday is also coming, which is like in 2 months. Yeah, I know, मैं अभी से सोच रही हूँ around this time no one really gets time to actually think about their birthdays cause कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है, but yeah, I still like to get gifts यार, like कुछ तो हम so yeah, I'm actually thinking to buy something from them again during that time. Since then till then I'll just be saving up. So yeah guys, that was all for this video. I hope you guys found it useful and liked it, enjoyed it, and yeah, and these are the products that I've actually bought recently in a month, and this one the last year. But yeah, they are working pretty much great for me, and I've really grown fond of them. So Bath and Body Works and Body Shop, these two brands provide products that are anti animal cruelty, which is actually a good thing. So yeah, that's all for this video, and let me know what all products did you like in the comment section below, and if you have any other queries regarding these products that I bought, that also you can ask me in the comments. So I'm gonna be going now, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, if you're new here, and yeah, and do connect with me on Instagram. That's akshika_arya. I'll be also mentioning my Instagram and Facebook handle in the description box, because I just do similar kind of things on Instagram as well, more regularly. And recently I've started doing these IGTV videos there, where I just style my outfits, mostly western, but I also try to do ethnic. And yeah, I am hoping that you would actually just check it out, and it's very interesting actually. So I hope you will like it. And yeah, that's all. I'm gonna see you next time in next video. Till there, take care guys, and stay safe. This is Akshika Arya signing off.